Okay, question 26. Let g be a function with first derivative given by g prime of x equals this integral. Which of the following must be true on this interval 0 is less than x is less than 2. So the first thing that I want to do here is just look at g prime of x here. On the interval 0 is less than x is less than 2, if I just, let's plug in 2 for example. So g prime of 2 was 0 to 2 e to the negative t squared dt. So if I were to theoretically run this problem through, I'm never going to get anything negative, right? Because in this domain, even if I were to integrate it, everything's going to be positive, right? Because I have a positive function, and the area underneath the positive function is always going to be positive, right? So g of x is going to be positive. So I will just say that g prime of x is positive. I should say it's positive on 0 is less than x is less than 2. So the next thing we need to figure out is it concave up or concave down? And the way I can do that is by computing the second derivative. So I will go ahead and take the derivative of both sides. Okay. Okay. All right, and when I do this, I can use the fundamental theorem of calculus, and I will get that g double prime of x is equal to e to the negative x squared. When I do this, I'm wondering, okay, on this interval 0, which is less than, x, which is less than 2, what are these values? Are they going to be positive or negative? And they are all going to be positive, as you can see. And I think they kind of try to trick you by putting in this negative exponent. But remember, all that's saying is that, let me write it up here, e to the negative x squared, all that's saying is that this is equal to 1 over e to the x squared. So it's a fraction, but it's still positive, right? So very important. So this is going to be positive. So if it's positive, it's going to be concave up. So we need g to be increasing because it's positive, and then I need g double prime to be concave up. So let's see here. That's going to be answer choice A, I think. Let me double check. Yep, it's answer choice A. All right, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.